Let's make a day and night mobile with this. For this side of the tree ring, I'm painting a blue sky to represent daytime. To complete the blue sky, add the clouds and then the sun. I'm using some ribbon strips and a round foam piece for the sun. Day side is done. On to the night side. For the night sky, mix in some silver glitter to the black paint before painting on this side of the tree ring. That's a really sparkly night sky. To complete this beautiful night sky, let's add some star sequins. We can use this mobile to indicate when it's day or nighttime.